So we are getting the garage stuff and putting it in the trucks. We're gonna take it to a local thrift store, and because we don't really want to have a garage sale, so let's get to work. Summer's starting.
It's humid.
It's humid. Let's see what Mom's doing. Where are you going?
Just backing the truck up.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we have figured out that the thrift store closes at, what is it close? At 4, and that's in 45 minutes, so we should probably head over there really quickly before we run out of time. But yeah.
So you and Dad are going to head over and unload this at Paws and Claws. Grandpa's going to go to the dump.
What? So we have just arrived at our local thrift store, and we really like this place because whenever you buy stuff, the money goes back to animals in the shelter. So it's a pretty cool place. So my dad, he just went in to check if they're even going to take the stuff. They probably are, because I mean, they have nothing to lose, really. So I'll let y'all know what we find out. So we have just gotten the go-to to unload it. So we're gonna start on that. Just got done unloading it all into the thrift store. Now what we doing?
We're gonna load up another truckload. Bring over.
Okay, so we've got Jet Stars. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Jet Stars. We learned about those from Living Traditions. And Alaskan Fancy tomato. These are early producers, right?
I think so.
And is what we hear. So that's what we're gonna try those. We're getting a late start planting, so it would be nice to have some early producers. So we've got 1, 2, 3 Alaskan Fancies, and then down here at the end we put 2 big cherry tomato plants.
Yeah, we don't know the kind they are. They were just some we bought at the store, and I saved the seeds. And I don't remember what they were.
Yeah, so these
like
get really big bushy plants and produce a lot of cherry tomatoes. Okay. Also, this entire bed, it took all 20 bags to fill up this entire bed. So just when we thought we were going to get maybe a little bit more than that, we were wrong. So we'll just have to figure out what we're gonna do once we get the beds made. Yay, I'm so excited. Yay. Now to figure out what we want to plant right in the front.
Want some beets?
Yeah, we can plant some beets.
Hi everyone. Yeah. I'm eating. I never go outside unless somebody's outside with me. Because I'm a princess.
Oh, she's so pretty.
She's hugging my arm.
Silly girl.
And I think about getting up there in that bed and digging out those tomatoes.
Alright, we're going to plant some Swiss chard, some hot peppers, volcano hybrid, Swiss chard, and Detroit dark red beets.
gardens. So we already planted a few plants. We got some dill right on this side. We just planted some thyme. I spelled it wrong there. And then we got some rosemary. So
What else you doing?
we're gonna be doing basil and oregano and a few more that I don't remember the names of. But yeah, we'll get to you when we get to you.
What are we planting now?
Garlic chives.
Garlic chives.
That's gonna be used in some of my ramen.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to our channel, and share it with your social media. This will encourage us to make some more videos on this journey we're about to begin.